Hello, seventh grade. We'll be working on organism relationships lab stations for the next few days. As always, if you want, you can move these check marks over here as you finish each lab section, but you're not required to do that. Okay, you're going to go to this video, you're going to watch it, and you're going to answer the questions on the left. Make sure that you're fully answering the questions, not just putting a word or two in. Check on number 2. List 3 ways in which predators have evolved. Make sure you're following those directions. Here is where you take your notes from your reading. Make sure that you are really putting good definitions down so that when you get to assess it, it'll be a lot easier for you. Here, for Read It, these questions come from the reading you just did. Please put only the letter of the answer, not the answer itself on the blank. Here, you're going to use the food web on the next slide here to answer these questions. Make sure that you answer them all correctly. For Research It, you're going to go to this website. Some of it's kind of gross, I'm just warning you. You're going to pick one of the parasites that interests you. You're going to summarize the characteristics of the parasite. Where does it live? How does it grow? What type of host does it have? Here, then you're going to tell the type of host, and then why do you think it's important for us to study parasite-host relationships? Here, for Organize It, you're going to pull these cards underneath the correct type of relationship. Here, you're going to describe what a predator-prey relationship is and provide an example. No example, I will count it wrong. Same thing with parasite-host. And then here, you're looking at numerous relationships in an oceanic ecosystem. Make sure that you're providing examples of all of these. Predator-prey, parasite-host, consumer-consumer, consumer-producer. All of those need to be covered in your answer. This is Assess It. Make sure that you're taking your time and answering these questions correctly. Here, Assess It Part 2, you're going to use the words from your Read It notes to answer these questions here. Challenge It. So there's only a couple of challenges. You can draw a food web with these organisms, and you can upload it to the assignment. You can put a box over this and then just put it here. But do not just pull a picture of a food web from somewhere else and drop it in. That will not get you any points. You can do an acrostic using the word ecosystem. Again, you can do that on a separate Google Doc and attach it to this assignment. You can put a box over this and then you put a text box after that and put it there. Finally, explain it. Think about the relationships of predation and parasitism. And you're going to write a paragraph. That means more than 3 sentences explaining the similarities and differences of these relationships. As always, if you have any questions, please let me know. Have a great day.